everyone. I am Lalitha. I came from Vizag. Recently graduated from Silver Jubilee Government Degree College, which is located in Kannur, in the stream of Computer Science with 92% aggregate. And recently I have joined in the Q and JSpiders Hebbal branch in the May 2023. Initially I have taken manual testing and Python course as well. And manual testing was taken by Uma Shankar sir. Because of Uma Shankar sir only I lost my fear and all. And he is very friendly in nature, while in the classes also he is very good with the students as well. And in Python, really I learned the patience from Salman sir, and his class is also very good, and I have learned very well the skills which was taught by Salman sir. And thanks to the both JSpiders and JSpiders Hebbal branch, and here the HRs are very supportive and they have added me for the requirements as well. Thanks to the HRs also. And finally I want to thank both Q and JSpiders of Hebbal branch. Thank you so much.